My name is Rachel Wright and I work at Anglia Ruskin University. I'm a Student Services Manager. I love supporting my colleagues in their goals to effectively and efficiently help their students excel at university. So before we had TOPdesk, our different teams had slightly different ways of working. They worked okay, but actually we'd had no single overview of students. So maybe a student would come to our main student counter and ask a question. And if they didn't get their answer quickly, maybe they went to then a different team and asked the same question. This obviously is not very efficient and not a very good student experience. So we brought TOPdesk towards the end of 2017, and very quickly we found that this improved our business processes. Rather than having disparate pieces of information about students, we had them all in one place. We're able to support our students much more effectively. An example of supporting our students more effectively is with the Success Project. So any students missed a few lectures maybe, have a lower engagement score, and we would contact these students by sending them a text first through TOPdesk and then calling them later on in the day to say, you've missed a few lectures, are you okay? And then if they needed emotional support or technical support, we were able to do that so that they can be more successful at university. Since we've been using TOPdesk, things have really significantly improved for students. Not only can they get a consistent reply, but it means that they can check the answer on the self-service portal and find out the answer and respond in their own time rather than just having to come onto campus. This means that their customer experience has gone from being good to really significantly improved for them. For staff, it's meant that business processes are much more streamlined. I'd really love to automate the data that comes into TOPdesk from the Success Project. This new business process would allow us to save much more time by having joined up working with the other departments around the university, and would be a much more effective and efficient solution for our students.